Hi, we're Big Y dietitians Carrie
and Andrea. Using avocados is a great way to incorporate rich, creamy texture into almost any dessert.
Try these recipes for a chocolatey treat or a citrus-inspired indulgence.
Creamy dark chocolate avocado mousse. Place avocados, cocoa powder, espresso, salt, sugar, and vanilla in a food processor. Blend until smooth. Add melted chocolate and blend. Divide into bowls, then chill. When ready to serve, top with berries and whipped cream.
California avocado yogurt key lime pie. In a food processor, blend avocado, yogurt, agave, lime zest, and vanilla. Sprinkle gelatin over lime juice. Whisk in warmed coconut milk, then stir into avocado mixture. Pour into graham cracker pie crust and refrigerate. Garnish and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.